Just past solar noon. I stopped the video to fumble with the controls and take a still shot. Let me pan over a little. And you can tell it's solar noon because the sun is basically moving about straight to the right. It's not moving up or down too much. Because before solar noon, it's getting higher in the sky. And then after solar noon, it's getting lower in the sky. But at that moment of solar noon, it's just going mostly right to left, or left to right in this case. Well, solar noon was 2 minutes ago, so I'm going to zoom into full optical zoom here. And try to focus this thing. Oh well.